Well, it may not come as a complete surprise that borrowers have been shortchanged after the latest interest rate cut. The National Australia Bank has passed on only 2/3 of yesterday's 50 basis point reduction, and the other big banks have so far done nothing. The federal government slammed the NAB decision as an insult to hard-working Australians. Here's finance correspondent Philip Lasker.
When it comes to interest rates, for the big four banks, silence is golden.
The big four banks save $12 million every day they do not pass on this rate cut.
The National Australia Bank has broken that silence, passing on 32 basis points to borrowers, but cutting the main saver rate by the full 50 basis points. The bank said it was due to higher funding costs. The Treasurer called it something else.
This decision is an insult to hard-working Australians with a mortgage or who own a small business who will rightly feel shortchanged.
It didn't go down well either, with some claiming the banks had already clawed back their margins.
NAB have had a commitment now that they would have the lowest standard variable rate of the big four. It's incredibly disappointing to see them go out first and, if you like, lead from behind.
I accept that all businesses have funding pressures in this day and age, but the banks are also extremely profitable businesses.
It wasn't the perfect PR day for the ANZ to prove that point, with a record half-year profit approaching $3 billion. Chief Executive Mike Smith says ANZ Asian business is going well, but Australian profits fell as funding costs had an impact.
These results show that ANZ shareholders are also sharing the pain of those higher costs.
The ANZ chief has recently put interest rates up, but he says it's the government that needs to take care in its budget not to harm the economy.
Confidence requires continuity, it requires certainty, and the worst thing that can happen are further surprises.
But home borrowers are hoping the ANZ surprises with a full rate cut. Philip Lasker, ABC News.